Welcome to the Style Arc Studio. We're excited to show you how to hack the Reynolds Woven top to get this gorgeous dramatic look. We want to thank Jackie for inspiring us to create this hack. To create a more dramatic look, we doubled the neck frill width from the neckline edge to the seam allowance. We then cut out the neck frill, paying attention to the grain line and marking our notches. We want to create a casing where we can thread our tie through. So we measured halfway along the frill to find the casing position. We then ruled a straight line across the frill to mark the casing stitch line. We sewed the short ends of our neck frill, leaving a gap for our tie to be threaded through later. We then stitched across the marked line, keeping it parallel to the frill edge. Make sure you've got this little gap for your necktie. We had to sew 2 neckties to get our desired look. The second necktie was 200 centimeters by 12 centimeters. We sewed the long edge, leaving a gap, and then sewed the short ends on an angle for a more dramatic look. We then completed our Reynolds woven top as per the patterns, and then we used a safety pin to thread the tie through the casing. Please note that this is when we discovered that our necktie was not dramatic enough. Then we created our second necktie, as mentioned earlier, that was 200 centimeters by 12 centimeters. Then, of course, enjoy your new Reynolds woven top. This isn't the only way to get that drama with our Reynolds woven top. Kim from the Cloth Shop has also done an alternative method where she simply widened the neck frill and the false necktie. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe here. Leave a comment in the section below with what hack you'd like to see next.